Hello petal heads. Right, I keep going on about this garden that's not a garden. It's all pots in my alleyway. I've got a few new ones, as you can see. Right, this bad boy came from my mum's house. It's got lots of tulips in. I've no idea what type they are, but they're beautiful. And there's a few that are yet to open as well. Underneath it, on the floor of the alley, I've got a big square planter that I made myself. I did a video about this. I'll put a link on a card or maybe in the description. Hyacinths, daffodils, it's got the dicentra in the middle and some violas. Right, all these next pots came from my mum's. Again, some more tulips. What a beautiful coloured purple those tulips are. There's a couple yet to open. In all of these pots I've got from my mum's house, I haven't planted anything in them. This is what was in them. So I think they're muscari or great hyacinths. Lovely purple colour, yet to fully open. In here also there's some, I'm not sure, they're either gladioli or irises, and a lavender. And again, from my mum's, I think that's lily of the valley. I think, please correct me if I'm wrong, but there's quite a few in there. Some forget-me-nots. I've said lots of times on this channel the connection I have with forget-me-nots and my granddad, who was my mum's dad. That's a box tree that I got my mum as a tiny little cutting. She's never really done much with it, but it's still going. So, and there's some more tulips. There was also daffodils mixed into this pot. The daffodils are finished now. The tulips are yet to open, so I look forward to seeing how beautiful they are. And then the rest of the pots are now ones that I've done. So I made a video about that. That was, I started off this little garden that's not a garden with two rectangular planters. That's one of them. You see the late winter, early spring flowers have gone now. And then here's a video I've made very recently about a rose called Special Grandma, which I've planted up. I'm going to put some forget-me-nots in the front of it. And here's my edibles tub. It's got 2 alpine strawberries, a marjoram, and some chives which I've grown from seed. So now you've seen my garden that's not a garden. It's all in pots in my alleyway. And today, to help me expand that garden that's not a garden, I got a wonderful Amazon delivery sent to me by the amazing Rue at Rue's Life of some propagators for seeds, which will fit very nicely on one of my windowsills. So thank you very much, Rue. I'm going to leave a link to Rue's channel in the description to this video. Go and check her out. Thanks for watching.